If you are responsible for the energy production or responsible for the engineering design of a utility-scale solar plant, then this video is for you. Padge LLC has uncovered an energy production vampire in the PV to inverter electrical system that is costing owners tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit per year. The combiner box is key to this PV to inverter electrical system. Its role is to combine electrical current from the PV panels into a common electrical line, which is then taken into the DC side of an inverter. These boxes are relatively small, with dimensions no more than 3 feet wide, 4 feet high, and 1 foot deep. They can have anywhere from 5 to 20 circuits, with voltages as high as 1500 volts DC. Most DC combiner boxes installed today have a critical design flaw where fuses are blowing at an abnormally high rate, especially during the summer months when the solar plant should be at its highest output. Typically, when a fuse blows in a DC combiner box, it is undetected by remote operations. As a result, many technicians have a full-time job of going to each combiner box and trying to find fuses that need replacement. Additionally, these events can cause the fuse holders to melt and even result in catastrophic fires. Sometimes, the field teams do not have adequate spare fuses, fuse holders, nor the resources to avoid downtime due to the blown fuses. The result to the customer is lost revenue. For example, let's take a 90 megawatt DC solar plant with combiner boxes that have 14 circuits, where each circuit is a dual string and each string has 45 PV panels rated at 340 watts. When a fuse blows in such a scenario, the plant is down 30 kilowatts. Based upon Padge LLC's experience, sites this size consume 25 to 50 fuses per week. Using NREL's PV Watts tool for a 45 PV panel in California, the annual output is 50,000 kilowatt hours per year, or an average of 137 kilowatt hours per day. This means one circuit being down for 7 days will cost the customer 960 kilowatt hours. From a profitability perspective, recent market average for solar PPAs are 5 cents per kilowatt hour, which results in about $7 per circuit. With 25 circuits offline for 7 days, this is about $1,250 per week, or $65,000 per year of missed revenue for the owner of the site. An additional benefit of preventing these fuses from blowing and fuse holders melting is the field technicians now have more time to perform preventative maintenance on the site equipment, including inverters, which do not get the attention they deserve until they are offline due to component failures. Fortunately, Padge LLC has pinpointed the cause of the underlying issue and has designed a field retrofit kit that costs only hundreds of dollars to install. There are 2 retrofits available, standard weather and hot weather extreme. These solutions are easy to install because they involve no cutting or grinding, and they keep the NEMA and IP integrity of the combiner box enclosure. This is important to keep out water and other pollutants. There are other solutions on the market that can be made with a knockout, but do not keep the NEMA nor IP integrity of the combiner box. Padge LLC's solution does. Contact Padge LLC and we can perform a cost-benefit analysis of your specific site to help you justify this small investment in your site to improve its overall output and improve field technician productivity. We can even instrument 2 side-by-side combiner boxes with temperature sensors to show the improved temperatures. For new projects, Padge LLC has designed a new combiner box that is cost competitive to the other alternatives. The Padge LLC design is more robust with remote operations detection as an option, while meeting all technical codes and standards requirements. Padge LLC was started in 2022 by Joe Chacon. Joe is a licensed professional engineer and has been practicing in the field of renewable energy for almost 20 years. Padge LLC has additional technical experts in the solar industry with combined experience of more than 40 years. Please let us know how we can help your combiner box assets with an aftermarket retrofit or supplying brand new combiner boxes. Padge LLC.